How to fix hotspot connected but no internet access. I'm going to tell you how to fix a hotspot that's connected but has no internet access. First, check if mobile data is turned on and working. Some devices let you enable a hotspot without cellular data, but you need mobile data for internet access. Ensure your hotspot device is correctly configured with the network's access point. If your signal is weak, try moving your hotspot to a spot with better reception. At least 3 bars and LTE speeds are ideal. Keep your connected device close to the hotspot to avoid speed drops. Restart both your hotspot and the connected device, as this can resolve temporary network issues. If the issue persists, forget the hotspot network on your device and reconnect. Also, check if your internet provider is experiencing an outage by visiting their service status page or a site like Down Detector. If none of these steps work, your carrier may have imposed data limits, so it's worth checking with them.